Hey dear users, welcome to the Multi-Store Inventory for WooCommerce plugin tutorial. Today, we're going to discover the import and export feature of Multi-Store Inventory for WooCommerce plugin, and how to assign store locations to the products, update the stock, and activate specific stores through CSV File. We'll also learn how to import and export this CSV file without any errors and bugs. So, let's explore this feature right away. Let's first learn about the key product and store fields in this spreadsheet, so we can assign stores to the products, update the stock and activate stores. Here you can see the number of fields inside this spreadsheet. Let's first explore the product ID, store ID and price. As you can see, there are some numbers assigned to products and stores ID as well. These numbers are called ID of the product and stores. Let me show you how to get these store and product IDs. To get the product ID, go to Products and click All Products. Once you arrived at the Product Central page, hover onto any product and now you are able to see the ID of the product. Here is another method to get the product ID. Let's click on the Edit button. Now you can move your pointer to the URL section of the browser. Here you can see the product ID just after the post. Copy this product ID and paste it to the product ID field of the spreadsheet. Now let's find the store ID in the Agile Store Locator plugin to develop the relationship between product and stores. Go to the Agile Store Locator plugin, and click the Manage Store option. In this Manage Store dashboard, you can clearly see the ID of the store. Let's copy the store ID and paste it into its respective field. Now we've assigned the store location to the product. Now we can also update the other fields of the spreadsheet such as price, sale price, stock and stock availability. Let's add the specific store pricing for this product. Also add the sale price, stock, and stock availability. Another point to note is that the 0 and 1 numbers for stock availability show the out of stock and in stock status respectively. Also in status field, 0 and 1 show the inactive or active status of the store field. Now let's save it in CSV format. And let's learn how to import this CSV file into WooCommerce add-on plugin. To import the CSV file into our plugin, let's go to the Agile Store Locator plugin and click on the WooCommerce plugin add-on. Inside the plugin dashboard, click on the Import/Export tab. Click on the Upload file and upload your CSV file that we've edited previously. Now let's head to the Import/Export section again and see whether the CSV file was uploaded or not. And here you can see it uploaded. Now click on the Import button to import it. Let's see whether we've successfully assigned the store pricing, stocks to the product or not. Go to All Product Options. And let's click on the Edit Stock button on the right side of the dashboard. Here we can clearly see the fashion style store stock, pricing, and sale price that is ID of 27, which we've added in the store ID field previously, has been successfully assigned to this product. That's all from Import/Export tutorial. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Stay tuned for more educational tutorials. Until then, goodbye.